The screw-in ring latch is a strong, secure and easy to use timber post latch. It's available with a standard hook latch or a spring hook latch. Mark the position of the latch screw and screw-in ring on the post. When latched, the chain should be slightly sagging, but not so much that it creates a gap that young livestock could squeeze between. With the marks you've just made on the post, it's time to drill some holes. The thread of the screw is 12mm, so you want to drill a 9 to 10mm pilot hole. Unlike the holes for the gate kit, where you drill an oversized hole to allow for easy adjustment, you need an undersized hole for a latch. You can now screw the latch into the post. The easiest way to do this is with a shifter. This will take a little effort, but the results are really worth it. Don't be tempted to drill the hole too big, as you don't want the latch to pull out of the post when stock pressure is applied. There you have it, an easy to use gate latch that will keep all your farm assets safe and secure. To see our full range of gate kits and latches, visit www.rotechproducts.com.au or give us a call on 1800 004 940 to request a catalogue.